Welcome everyone to this walkthrough and buffet tour of Excalibur, Las Vegas. Excalibur Hotel and Casino is located on the south side of the Las Vegas Strip and is connected to the Mandalay Bay Tram. The tram provides free service to and from Mandalay Bay, Luxor, and Excalibur. This medieval castle-themed family-friendly resort was developed by Circus Enterprises and opened on June 19th of 1990. At the time of its opening, it was the largest hotel in the world with over 4,000 rooms. At the main entrance to Excalibur, you're greeted by mountains of delicious gelato. The casino measures up at 92,000 square feet and contains over 1,700 slot and gaming machines and 85 tables. Located to the left of the gelato stand is the Excalibur Hotel registration area. Mobile and self-check-in is available. And there is the Excalibur Lobby Bar, a comfy spot to grab a signature cocktail. Located just off the casino floor, there is Johnny Rockets, offering burgers, fries, and shakes in a classic American diner setting. Next, here is Sherwood Bar, offering top-down video poker machines. Next is Tap Sports Bar, serving up fan favorite food with an extensive beer selection. And then a little farther down is the BetMGM Sportsbook at Excalibur. A full-service, state-of-the-art sportsbook with giant TV screens and a non-smoking environment. There is a Starbucks back by the Rotunda entrance. And then the high-limit slot area. Continuing our walk around the casino floor, next up is the security desk. And the MGM Rewards Center. Redeem your My Vegas rewards here. And next is the Lounge, a chill, upbeat cocktail lounge that offers live music 3 nights a week. Go down the hallway to the Resort Tower elevators to get to the Excalibur Spa and Pool area. Next, there is another casual dining option, Baja Fresh Mexican Grill. And next is a truly unique dining experience, Dick's Last Resort. Dick's Last Resort is well known for its messy cuisine and rowdy and unpredictable servers. Set in a raunchy roadhouse environment. As we come full circle on the casino floor, here is the market. An essential store with a large selection of adult beverages. Located below the casino floor is the Fun Dungeon. This arcade offers video, carnival, and redemption games for kids of all ages. Located above the casino floor is the Castle Walk level. On the Castle Walk level, there is a wedding chapel and plenty of retail shopping options. And yet another Starbucks. The food hall fad hasn't hit Excalibur yet, but they still have a really great food court. Food court options include Pizza Hut, Fat Burger, Popeye's Louisiana Kitchen, Einstein Brothers Bagels, there is also a Cinnabon and a Krispy Kreme. On this level, there is also a walkway to the Luxor Hotel and Casino. Here is Thunder Bar, a perfect venue to enjoy some pre- or post-show beverages. To the interactive casino show Thunder from Down Under, which features Australian male dancers, seductive routines, and cheeky humor. And here's Buca di Beppo, a chain restaurant serving family-style Italian fare in a kitschy setting featuring red and white tablecloths. And the Castle Walk level is where you'll find the location for the buffet at Excalibur. A standard brunch buffet setup known for its value and spacious kid-friendly dining room with medieval decor. The buffet is open every day from 7 a.m. until 2 p.m. You can get a discount by using your MGM Rewards card or by playing My Vegas slots and getting a 2-for-1 reward. But is it worth it? Let's take a look inside this budget-friendly Las Vegas buffet.
Well, I have some of the yellow.
All beverages are self-service and there is a wide array of coffee drinks and soft drinks. And the brewed coffee is very good. Okay, for starters, we have some cereal, bread, bagels, toppings. Here's some chicken soup and some oatmeal. This video was recorded about an hour and 15 minutes before the closing time. Here is cottage cheese, yogurt, and toppings. And next is a salad bar. There is a seafood section with mussels, peel and eat shrimp, and imitation crab salad. Here is macaroni and cheese and rigatoni alla vodka. In what remained of the breakfast section, here's some cinnamon rolls, some fresh fruit. There were buttermilk and strawberry pancakes, biscuits and gravy, potatoes, scrambled eggs, bacon, breakfast potatoes, some broccoli. There are dinner rolls and a carving station with turkey, ham, and beef brisket. There is a cocktail bar that offers all-you-can-drink specials. Here's some of the last sushi for the day. I'm going to have to pass on that one. In the Latin section, there was chorizo and eggs, sriracha beans, tortillas with chicken and beef filling, some roasted cod fillets, taco toppings. In the Asian section, there was miso soup, sesame bok choy with shiitake mushrooms. There was also some chicken legs, some fried rice, and some red bean sesame rolls. The dessert bar featured a selection of cakes, pies, and ice cream. For my breakfast plate, I chose the eggs, bacon, fresh fruit, and one of each of the pancakes. Both the bacon and the scrambled eggs surprisingly tasted better than they looked. The cut melon wasn't ripe enough to be edible. The pancakes were good. The buttermilk pancakes were very good, and so was the strawberry. It's just the strawberry ones were a little tough. For my lunch plate, I did the salad, some macaroni and cheese, the turkey, some shrimp, and the imitation crab salad. The salad was good, the greens were fresh and crispy, the macaroni and cheese was very bland and had no flavor at all whatsoever. It was like macaroni and food coloring. The turkey looked more like turkey loaf than turkey breast. And surprisingly, it also tasted better than it looked. In contrast to the MGM Grand Buffet turkey, which looked really good but tasted really bad. The shrimp was totally slimy and gross, and the imitation crab salad didn't taste like it was freshly prepared. The imitation crab was fine, but it just wasn't very fresh tasting. For dessert, cherry pie, and a second cup of that tasty coffee. Thank you for watching. You can show support by hitting that super thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. For more fabulous Las Vegas videos, click one of these boxes up here. And tap that center icon to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.